Well, good evening, everyone. This is Dana. I'm coming at you actually from Florida today. We're about to get ready to fly back to Alaska, but I just want to let you know we made it on our 4,000 mile journey from Fairbanks, Alaska to Gainesville, Florida. And so real quick, I wanted to go over our trailer. This is that Diamond C trailer I gave a quick introduction to before. It's the GTF model, and we had absolutely no problems with our trailer on the way up. The ramps, as we discussed I think in the previous video, the ramps do not like to sit in the ramp pockets, so we did not store them down there, and that does seem to be the only problem I've experienced with this trailer. But again, I just hauled this trailer 4,000 miles with my tractor on it, all my gear on it, my backhoe, and we had absolutely no problems with this trailer. It worked out great. So like I said, if I had one complaint with this trailer, you know, and it's minor, but it is there, so let's bring it up, is the pockets to store the ramps. The pockets, they're too big, and what happens is the ramps just kind of jiggle free and they move forward and they come out towards the road. And so I experienced that a couple times back in Fairbanks, and I decided I'd go ahead and I'd just haul the ramps on top of the trailer deck so we wouldn't have a problem with that. Other than that, everything's working out really well with the trailer. All right, everyone, thanks for watching a quick update on my trailer. We're gonna get ready to head back to Alaska just here in a day or so. So we'll see you back in Alaska.